YouTube's automatic dubbing feature is designed to help videos reach a global audience, but for many creators, it can feel more frustrating than helpful. Auto-generated voiceovers may mispronounce words, sound unnatural, or translate things in ways you didn't intend. If you prefer to keep full control over how your content sounds, disabling automatic dubbing is often the right choice. In this short guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn auto dubbing off on your YouTube channel and how to switch it back on later if you decide to use it again. First, let's go over how to disable automatic dubbing. You'll need to be on a computer for this since the setting isn't available on the YouTube Studio mobile app. Sign into YouTube Studio and look to the bottom left of the screen. Click on Settings. Next, open the Channel section, then select Advanced Settings. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Allow Automatic Dubbing. If this option is enabled, YouTube is currently creating dubbed audio tracks for your videos. To stop this, simply uncheck the box and click Save. Once this is done, YouTube will no longer generate automatic dubbed audio for any new videos you upload. Now, let's take a look at how to turn automatic dubbing back on. Go back into YouTube Studio, open Settings, choose Channel, and then return to Advanced Settings. Check the Allow Automatic Dubbing box again. Under that setting, you'll see an option that allows you to manually review dubs before they are published. Turning this on gives you more control, especially if you want to avoid low quality or inaccurate voiceovers. You can choose to review dubs in all available languages or limit reviews to experimental languages only. After selecting your preference, click Save. From this point forward, YouTube will generate automatic dubs again, following the review rules you selected. It's worth remembering that automatic dubbing is still improving. Factors like fast speech, background noise, accents, and technical terms can all affect the quality of the translated audio. That's why many creators either disable auto dubbing completely or keep it enabled with manual approval only. So if auto dubbing isn't working the way you want, now you know exactly where to control it. You can turn it off, turn it back on, or fine-tune how and when those dubs get published. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.